Hi students, today we are going to learn about types of inspection and gadgets for inspection. We are first going to learn about the inspection.
Inspection is necessary for any machine, equipment where remarkable risk to health and safety may arise from wrong installations, reinstallation, or any other circumstances. The purpose of inspection is to find whether machine can be operated, adjusted, and maintained safely. The need for inspection and inspection intervals is to be determined through risk assessment. The summary of inspection should be recorded and same should be kept at least until the next inspection of that machine. Machine equipment that required inspection should not be used unless the machine has been inspected. If the machine equipment obtained from any other source, once should be ensured that physical evidence of last inspection is accompanied with the machine, such as inspection report, some form of tagging, labeling system, or color coding. One of the most important documents that can help with inspection is the manual. Manual is one of the integral and necessary literary part that the operator has to know before handling and operating the machine. It will be provided by the manufacturer along with the supply of the machine. Manual furnish all information about the machine like size of the machine, foundation and erection method, safety procedure to be followed, operating procedure and periodical maintenance required. The machine manual will also provide about the required power supply, safety procedures, grade of lubrication oil to be used, etc. Availability of suitable spare parts and details of the dealer supplier has to be provided in the manual. Otherwise, use of any other parts will not suit and the machine will get damaged. We have to refer and follow manual if any problem or defects arises during the operation of the machine. The manual will also provide the brand and type of tools that can be used, time period, life of the tools to be replaced, based on the usage and periodical inspection to be carried out. In general, manual has to provide the information right from starting of the machine, operating method and stopping the machine. In case of emergency, operator should be able to stop the machine. Let's look at the checklist of items to be checked. Good working, satisfactory status. Defective, remedial measures. Availability of machine manual. Safety guards, installation. Level of the machine. Belt and its tension, bearing sound, driving clutch and brake, exposed gears, working in all the speeds, working in all the feeds, lubrication system, coolant system, sliding part and its travel, safety and limit switches, electrical controls, proper lighting, emergency stop, alarm specialty, condition of work holding devices, condition of tool holding devices, condition of accessories and attachments, chip collection and disposal. Let's look at the equipment record. History sheet of machinery and equipment. Description of equipment. Manufacturer's address. Supplier's address. Order number and date. Date on which received. Date on which installed and placed. Date of commissioning. Size. Weight. Length, width and height. Cost. Motor particulars. Volts. Revolutions per minute. Phase. Volts. Bearings, spares, record. Belt specification. Lubrication details. Major repairs and overhauls carried out with dates. Let's quickly recap what we have learned so far. Inspection on machines should be done periodically for ensuring the safety of the machine operators. A record of the same should be kept. Manuals are useful for conveying the information regarding inspection. Manual gives information like safety procedure to be followed, operating procedure and the periodically maintenance required.
I hope that you have understood everything taught in this video. I will see you in another interesting and exciting videos. Thank you and goodbye until then.